DJI Mavic Mini is a featherweight foldable drone just 249G, and yet it still manages to offer the incredibly stabilized video and reassuring build quality that DJI is known for. There are fairly tolerable compromises. It doesn't have object tracking and records at a maximum resolution of 2.7K at 30 fps, meaning this isn't a 4K drone. That's okay when you hold it in your palm and realize it's the weight of 5 golf balls, and lasts a solid 30 minutes in the air. The NFI weighs over 300G, and drones weighing in at over 250G need to be registered. Aviation authorities like the FAA in the US and Civil Aviation Authority in the UK. What's a drone manufacturer to launch a 249G drone? Of course, meet the new featherweight favorite, the DJI Mavic Mini. The Mavic Mini's video caps out at 2.7K resolution with a frame rate of 30 fps, which will leave some videographers in need of 4K footage cold. It also lacks the incredibly handy object avoidance its larger siblings feature, so there are some clear, albeit unsurprising compromises after a few days testing it out. However, we can't help but be, for the most part, smitten with this compact, capable quadcopter. DJI Mavic Mini release date is November 11th, but you can pre-order it right now in two versions, either the base package drone, battery, controller, or with the Fly More combo, which also includes a two-way charging hub that can double up as a power bank, a 360-degree propeller guard, and 2 extra batteries.